Hi, and thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. It has been a long, hot summer so far here in East Texas. We did a little research, looked at some of the numbers, and between June 1st and up until now in Tyler, this is the second hottest summer on record, trailing only behind 2011. And when you look at these numbers, these are the daytime highs and the nighttime lows, and then averaged together. And so back in 2011, the mean average temperature for the entire summer, and this number here goes all the way through August 30th, 90.2. Up until this point, we're standing at 87.2 in second place, just ahead of 1998, 86.7. So when we think of meteorological summer, we talk about June 1st to August 30th, and that's essentially what we're looking at with these numbers. 2018 was also a very hot year, you might remember, 85.6. For Longview, it's the fifth hottest summer, and for Lufkin, it's the second hottest summer. In Tyler, though, second hottest summer so far. We shall see how it goes from here. 10-day temperature trend in East Texas still has us in some very hot weather right on through next week. Coolest day, 97 on Saturday. Rest of the days, 99 or 100 degrees. So that'll keep us above that 86.7 average for sure. And it's also going to be dry. We think there are a couple of chances for some isolated showers across the area. Nothing widespread or anything of that nature. But in our rainfall forecast next 7 days, deep East Texas, you got this little bullseye here of about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. We're seeing sea breeze showers coming up from the south. Seeing some of those today. We'll see some of those tomorrow. Could see some of those Saturday. Meantime, a frontal boundary tries to push past the Red River over the weekend, so a couple of showers or thunderstorms could develop in, near, and along and north of Interstate 20. Other than that, the rain is going to hug closer to the front. You can see this is a big strip of 3 to 4 inches from the Oklahoma Panhandle all the way through the Ozarks and into the Tennessee River Valley. So staying north of our area will be all of that rain. Tomorrow's another day where the UV index will be on the extreme side. That means we have to protect against sun damage, wearing wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses covering up all exposed skin. Sunscreen of SPF 30 plus is a must, and we have to reduce our exposure to the sun. That's just one tip. We talk about being outside in a heat advisory. We talk about hydrating and exposing or limiting our exposure to the sun. So hour by hour on Thursday, 84 at 9 a.m., 89 with a southwest wind kicking in at about 11 o'clock, and then 91 at noon. South wind at 5 to 10. So kind of a breezy, hot summer day coming up on Thursday. Temperatures running roughly about 3 to 4 degrees above average for this time of the year. So it's a little bit better than what we've been doing when we've seen days where it's 104, 105. 99, mostly sunny in Pittsburgh tomorrow. 98, mostly sunny in Linden. 99, mostly sunny in Gilmer. 100 degrees in Mineola and Canton. 100 in Tyler. 99 in Henderson. 99 Jacksonville, Palestine. Mostly sunny in 99. And mostly sunny over Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Crockett, and Groveton with highs anywhere from 96 to 98 and a 20% chance of rain Thursday afternoon. Bringing in the humidity, we may stay just below the heat advisory criteria. Still have to take into account those heat precautions, making sure that we're doing everything we need to do so that we don't get any type of heat illness, even when it's at this kind of standard, but we just don't have these temperatures getting high enough across the entire area for us to have a heat advisory issued. And on Friday, it might sneak back up to that heat advisory criteria. You can see here about 105, 104, 106 at Palestine's, 107 at Mount Pleasant, 107 at Linden. So those would qualify for a heat advisory. So we might have a heat advisory issued for Friday. I don't think we're going to have one for Thursday, or if we do, it'll be pretty limited to just a few counties. All right, frontal boundary tries to push into East Texas here by Friday. The high pressure ridge at the same time begins to expand and strengthen again. That's why those showers kind of stay north of us or just reach across the Red River, and then they fade away or wash out as we head through the weekend. And then by Sunday into Monday, the high pressure system re-intensifies and almost develops right over top of East Texas. So high temperatures will be back to 100 degrees again. Here's our next frontal boundary, next storm system, a low pressure area, a little trough out there to the northwest. We'll see how that impacts us as we get deeper into August. Energy saving tips now is we're going to stay hot. Remember to set that thermostat as high as you can take it, and every degree is about a 6 to 8% energy savings. Set the thermostat higher when you're away. Close the windows, close the window shades, and turn the fans on. And appliances such as a dishwasher or a dryer or washer use those only early in the day or in the evening. Current burn bans across Texas. Well, everyone's pretty much in a burn ban except for the counties closest to the Gulf of Mexico. Jasper, Newton County right now remain outside of the burn ban. Rain chances tomorrow, 20% chance. Friday, it's a 30% chance. Saturday, it's a 20% chance. And then, for the most part, we dry out. Now, we could have a 20% chance of rain by next Tuesday, but again, pretty limited. Here are those sea breeze showers that come into Deep East Texas Thursday afternoon. They fade away with the loss of daylight. And then Friday, again, they start moving inland, but they may fall apart the farther north they travel this time. So if by Friday at 6:30, we're looking at maybe a 20 to 30% chance of rain again. And then Saturday, it's about a 20% chance of rain. It's just warm and humid with a temperature right around 97 degrees. Sunday is going to be hot and humid with a high temperature around 99. All right, we're going to have some pretty sunrises and sunsets here in the next few days, and that's because we're looking at Saharan dust, and it is pretty thick coming off the west coast of Africa. Those are the Cape Verde Islands. This will continue to move from west, or I guess east to west here across the Atlantic, and as it does, we'll see another little plume move across Florida and up into the Gulf of Mexico. So that'll be Saturday, and then that thicker plume will come in next week. So we've got several hazy sunrises, sunsets, and something else that Saharan dust does is it suppresses any type of tropical development. So if you look at the Gulf of Mexico, here's a cluster of showers and thunderstorms almost into the central Gulf near the Yucatan Peninsula. There's another little cluster of thunderstorms out here in the eastern Caribbean, not much going on. And then we go all the way out into the central Atlantic. There's a little cluster of showers and thunderstorms here, but just that dust disrupts that moisture from rising and forming into clouds. And so as a result, we don't get anything headed our way in terms of tropical rain or showers or thunderstorms or anything wet enough to bring us a really good chance of rain. So we're going to rely on sea breeze showers here the next 3 days, with highs tomorrow and a summer breeze right around 100 degrees. Friday, isolated thunderstorms up to 99. 20% chance of rain on Saturday, a high of 97. Morning lows will be in the upper 70s. 77 Sunday morning, 99 Sunday afternoon. August is going to start hot. Monday is August 1st, 100 degrees, 100 on Tuesday, 100 on Wednesday. Morning lows again in the upper 70s. Mostly sunny skies each and every one of those days, and so the rain chances are less than 20%, probably more like 10 or even less than that. So yeah, while there could be an isolated shower, it's just not worth posting on the 10-day forecast. And then 100 degrees by Thursday, 99 hot and humid on Friday, and Saturday we're back up to about 99 degrees again, partly cloudy, hot and humid. So that's a pretty consistent 10-day forecast again. No strong fronts pushing into the area, just a few isolated showers, and so it looks like a fairly typical summertime weather pattern for us, just a little bit above average. Remember, average daytime high now this time of the year 96. Average lows are around 75 to 76. Have a great evening, everyone. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus.